Hello again, it's Noob, and in front of us we have the Elite G Pro Starter Kit. I'm pretty sure that most of you by now will know about this amazing set from Multipick. When I first saw it, I think like a lot of people, these new Dimple picks from Multipick, the first thing was just like, wow, they look great. And there we go. Open up this really nice roll case and you can see these amazing pick handles that Multipick have made. And yeah, I'm not going to lie, I wanted them as soon as I saw them. And yeah, I actually have the bigger kits, not the starter kit. And I don't know if you're like me, but you know, you're sort of set in your ways. And if like me, you have quite a lot of different kits, people always say, but you don't use that one, or you don't use this one. Well, it's not because they're bad, it's just that I have so many sort of kits, and I'll be honest, I'm set in my ways. I sort of know what works for me, and it doesn't really matter how good other kits are. I just like what I like, right? These Multipick Dimple picks are one of the first new tools for a long time I've actually started using routinely. But the full kit's quite expensive. But that's okay, because Multipick have actually brought out a starter kit which actually doesn't have all the handles. It has 2 handles. And I'm not suggesting what you put inside here, but I would probably suggest that you have one handle for a left-handed flag and maybe one handle for a right-handed flag. But alternatively, you might think, well, actually, I need a straight flag and a curved flag. And those are both great options. But it also doesn't matter because Multipick provided 5 different tips in these little vials. And inside there you can see comes a little grub screw, a hex screw, an Allen screw. And that allows you to just put the tip into the handle and then tighten the screw in here using the provided Allen key. Now, let me just get all of this stuff out and I'll show you what you actually get. So this is everything all unpacked. And what do you get in the kit? So clearly you get the really nice leather case, but you get 2 of these pick handles. Very ergonomic. I've sort of used it both ways. I sometimes rotate the pick like this, sort of supporting the pick with my middle finger and pinching with my index and thumb. But sometimes I kind of like to get really close, like a fine work, like holding a pen, and that's comfortable too. They're surprisingly light, but ergonomic at the same time. And like lots of Multipick items, they're made really nicely, finished with precision, and you can see that you've got the serial number and year, and even the Multipick symbol at the top, which actually is really good for indexing because the pick tip itself should be 90 degrees to that symbol. Okay, so you get these really nice handles. You get 2 of them again, so you probably have like a curved and a straight or a left and a right flag at any one time. And yes, of course, they do fit nicely in the case when the flags are attached. You also get the flags, and I think it's a really, really good choice. Now, the standard Elite G Pro has a lot more flag profiles and they're all with handles, but it is actually quite expensive, and this kit isn't wildly cheap. It's about €89, 90 or £82, or about $99.50 at the time of making this video. But this kit is a whole lot cheaper than the full Elite G Pro kit. And if you were a bit nervous about buying the full kit, but really wanted to have a go at this amazing pick set, I think it's a really good place to start. And it's worth mentioning a few things as to why it demands that kind of price. Is 1, Multipick are famous for their build quality and standards. And 2, there is a lifetime warranty on these parts with reasonable use. Of course, if you're going to abuse them, then I don't think the guarantee will cover it. But for using them within reason, there is a lifetime guarantee on these parts, which I think is phenomenal. So, what profiles do you get? You get 5 profiles, and I really think, having picked a lot of Dimple locks recently, you're not going to need to stray too far away from these profiles to begin with. Maybe if you're a professional or you're really getting into Dimple locks, you want to expand the kit, well, Multipick will definitely provide you with more handles and tips as you want to buy some more stuff as you get more into Dimple lock picking. But if you're just dipping your toe in and want a premium kit, I really don't think you're going to need much more than the profiles they offer, which of course are a left and right-handed curved flag for those deeper set pins. And if you just look at the finish on these, it's really superb. And these profiles are oval, not round. I don't know why Multipick have done that, but I just find them very, very smooth in the lock. So whatever the reason is, it works. Then you have your straight left and right-handed matched flags. Here we go. Trying to get some focus on for you. And again, superbly finished, really nicely rounded off. And by the way, these are really strong. I've picked a lot of Dimple locks with these in my set, and they look as fresh as the day they were made. And last but not least, a smaller right-handed flag. Why there is a right-handed flag bias, I'm not entirely sure, but I imagine it's because Multipick have done their research and have decided that you are more likely to need right-handed flags over left-handed flags. One of the highlights of this kit, for me, it's not so much the handles and the really nice pick profiles, it's actually these tension tools. They're made out of some really strong multi-pick steel, and the best thing about these is how thick they are. They're well finished, they're nicely rounded off, but they are superbly thick. You've got one thick one, one slightly thinner one, and that just means they're really strong. And if you put a lot of tension on your Dimple locks, like I tend to do, these are an absolute, they're just brilliant. You know, I'm so glad to have these in my kit, and to have 2 of these. I think if you're doing Dimple lock picking and you can get yourself a couple of these Multipick Z wrenches, you'll be won over by them. I really do think you are. So how do we actually put these flags on? Because, you know, it might be that you start out with left-handed, then you want a right-handed, maybe swap to a curve. Well, actually, it's surprisingly easy. So let's just choose one of these curved flags. You'll see that there is a small notch at the end. That aligns with the grub screw. Slide it in, support it with your finger, and then get that hex key out and just tighten it. And there you are. That is it. You got a well-fitted, very strong Dimple flag, which actually won't move in the pick. At least I've not experienced, again, any movement in mine. But if I did, I could always tighten the screw up again. And again, just going to pop this one in, slide it down, get that hex key, tighten it up. And you'll see what I mean by the symbol here, help you index where that flag tip is. It's 90 degrees to that symbol, so when you're picking in the lock, you always know where your flag is at any point. And yes, with these tips on, they do fit into the case really nicely, so don't worry about that. So yeah, I mean, this is clearly a premium kit, but it's a premium kit which stands by its quality by giving a lifetime guarantee to its tools. It's got a great reputation. I use it myself, and I have to say, I really like this kit. I think it's really nice that Multipick have provided a cheaper option to their full Elite G Pro Dimple pick set. If you have one of these kits, I'd actually be genuinely interested to know in the comments below what you think of it. What's your experience? What have you thought to the durability of this kit? How have you found the fit, finish and strength? Do you also like these Z bars as much as I do? Let me know. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.